Hello everyone, moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this easy drawing by first starting by making the face of this cute deer and then making the ears and body of this one and his big shiny eyes as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making this face and body of this beautiful crane which looks really awesome and complete by making his legs and coloring it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this easy drawing of this beautiful looking shark who looks really scary and dangerous and has huge teeth. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making this huge face as shown of a cute panda which looks really awesome already, and then complete it as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll again make this face of this cute bear, which is a baby bear, and complete it by following the steps as shown by giving him a watermelon. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this face of this cute animal as shown and complete it by following the steps. Thank you for watching the video.